I welcome you all to the next function of macroeconomics. As we have studied in previous session that what is consumption function and what are the characteristics of consumption function today, and what is the relationship between average prosperity to consume and what is marginal prosperity to consume, ये हमने हमारे कल के सेशंस में देखा था. Basically, before moving further today with the concept that is when consumption function is linear, when marginal function is collinear, that is curvilinear, when consumption function is rotational upwards, what is the relationship between marginal prosperity to consume and average prosperity to consume, आज हम वो देखेंगे. Before moving further, I will just give you a gist. We'll just recap or recall yesterday's session of relationship. In yesterday's session of relationship, that is average prosperity to consume and marginal prosperity to consume, the first relationship was when consumption line passes through the origin, average prosperity to consume and marginal prosperity to consume becomes equal. Second one, when consumption function is of the form C is equal to A plus BY, where marginal prosperity to consume is constant but average prosperity to consume is declining as income is increasing. The consumption function is linear. Third, we studied that average prosperity to consume and marginal prosperity to consume both declines as income increases, but marginal prosperity declines more than the decline in average prosperity to consume. As income goes down, marginal prosperity to consume falls and average prosperity to consume will also fall but at a slower rate. Next, if marginal prosperity to consume is rising, then average prosperity to consume will rise altogether at a slower rate. When average prosperity to consume is constant, when marginal prosperity to consume is constant, average prosperity to consume may also remain constant. Will also remain constant. Average prosperity to consume will also remain constant only if the consumption function passes through the origin. Next one, average prosperity in some cases may be equal to marginal prosperity to consume. It is quite possible that 50% of increase in income is consumed and that 50% of existing income is consumed. Now, this was what we studied yesterday with respect to the relationship. Today we'll see the relationship between average prosperity to consume and marginal prosperity to consume when consumption function is linear. Am I clear to it? Okay. In the case of linear consumption function of form C is equal to A plus BY, where marginal prosperity to consume is constant and positive but less than 1. जब कंजम्पशन फंक्शन लीनियर है और वो फंक्शन है C इज इक्वल टू A प्लस बी एफ का, तो उस टाइम मार्जिनल प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम पॉजिटिव होती है बट लेस देन 1 होती है. वेर एज एवरेज प्रॉस्पेरिटी कंज्यूम इज़ हायर देन मार्जिनल प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम इन सच केसेस. और ऐसे केस में एवरेज प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम हायर होता है मार्जिनल प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम से और एवरेज प्रॉस्पेरिटी डिक्लाइन होते रहता है. कब? जब एवरेज प्रॉस्पर जब कंजम्पशन का जो फंक्शन है वो AC इज इक्वल टू A प्लस BF है, उस वक्त मार्जिनल प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम ये कांस्टेंट होता, पॉजिटिव होता है एंड मगर ये लेस देन 1 होता है। वेर एज एवरेज प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम इज़ हायर देन मार्जिनल प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम और ऐसे केस में एवरेज प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम फॉल होते रहता है। क्लियर? ओके। सेकेंड, in the case of linear consumption function of the form C is equal to BF, A C is equal to BF, okay, APC is equal to marginal prosperity to consume which is constant। जब कंजम्पशन फंक्शन C is equal to BF के फॉर्म में होता है तो एवरेज प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम एंड मार्जिनल प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम ये कांस्टेंट होता है। The consumption function will pass through the point of origin, suggesting proportionate income proportionate consumption relationship। और ऐसे केस में कंजम्पशन फंक्शन ये ओरिजिन से पास हो जाता है और बताता है कि प्रोपोर्शनेट इनकम कंजम्पशन रिलेशनशिप, मतलब कि प्रोपोर्शनेट इनकम है, इनकम हमारा जितना प्रोपोर्शनेट है उतना ही हमारा कंजम्पशन प्रोपोर्शनल है। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन क्या है? व्हेन कंजम्पशन फंक्शन इज कोलियल लाइन। इन द केस ऑफ कोलिनियल लीनर कंजम्पशन फंक्शन APC इज ग्रेटर देन मार्जिनल प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम। इस सिचुएशन में एवरेज प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम जो है वो ग्रेटर देन मार्जिनल प्रॉस्पेरिटी टू कंज्यूम होता है। दिस कैन बी प्रूव्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिगर 4.3 और ये सिचुएशन 4.3 में है। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फिगर APC इज इक्वल टू RT डिवाइडेड बाय QT which is greater than the marginal prosperity to consume। ये marginal prosperity to consume से ज़्यादा है which is RT divided by MT cleared है? Okay, in third situation when consumption function is rotating upward, उस वक्त क्या है? When consumption function is rotating upward right to left, the value of both APC and MPC will rise and they will become closer to each other so that two value becomes equal। ये एक दूसरे से करीब हो जाते हैं और दोनों वैल्यू इक्वल हो जाते हैं। इन अदर वर्ड्स व्हेन द कंजम्पशन फंक्शन इज बिकमिंग स्टीपर, और वैसे ही जब कंजम्पशन फंक्शन स्टीपर हो जाता है द वैल्यू ऑफ APC इज इंक्रीजिंग एंड अल्टीमेटली स्टीपर हो जाता है तो वैल्यू ऑफ APC इंक्रीज हो जाता है अल्टीमेटली इट बिकम्स इक्वल टू द वैल्यू ऑफ MPC। द वैल्यू ऑफ APC that is average prosperity to consume becomes constant and does not change with the change in the level of income। और average prosperity to consume और marginal prosperity to consume constant हो जाता है और ये इसको इनकम का कोई भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। Such shift that is rotation in consumption function take place only in the long run। और ऐसा कंजम्पशन फंक्शन का जो सिचुएशन है ये सिर्फ लॉन्ग रन में टेक प्लेस हो जाता है। और ये फंक्शन जो हमें बता रहे हैं दैट इज़ कंजम्पशन फंक्शन इज़ रोटेटिंग अपवर्ड, ये 4.4 फिगर में हमें बताया गया है। अ फैमिली ऑफ कंजम्पशन फंक्शन एंड इंडिकेट द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन APC and MPC। Clear to it? Okay. In the figure 4.4, there are 4 consumption functions C1, C2, C3 and C4। Please look at the diagram 4.4. I'll explain you that. In the figure, there are 4 consumption functions C1, C2, C3, C4। The relationship between average prosperity to consume and marginal prosperity to consume would be like the following। In the consumption function C1, average prosperity to consume is equal to marginal prosperity to consume, that is angle angle 1, that is angle 1, that is 45-degree angle line. Next, in the consumption function C2, average prosperity is similar to marginal prosperity to consume, but they are less than 1. In consumption function C, in consumption function 3, average prosperity consumption function 3, marginal prosperity to consume is constant positive but less than 1. Average prosperity to consume starts falling with a rise in income, but average prosperity to consume is greater than marginal prosperity to consume. In the consumption function C4, marginal prosperity to consume is constant, but with the less than 1. Average prosperity to consume falls with an increase in income, but average prosperity to consume is greater than marginal prosperity to consume. It should be noted that the magnitude of average prosperity to consume and marginal prosperity to consume at consumption 1 are more than those of consumption 2 at the consumption level, at the corresponding consumption or income level. Am I clear to all? Okay. Thank you all. We'll meet you in the next session with the next topic. Please go through the session once, and if you have any doubt, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Be at home, be safe, and start preparing for your exams. Thank you all. Thank you.